Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. In this quick update here in the 1 hour time frame is what we're going to go in. You can see as we zoom on in and isolate closer in the Bitcoin, you can see we have broken into this white support box, and you know the white support box, this price isn't just going to sit and start to bounce and start a rally in the middle of a support box. You're underneath short-term target. You shouldn't even be considering doing anything in the market until you hit 32,569. That would be the first spot you could bounce, because if you zoom out here into the daily, and I think I deleted it. If we put our, no, I think this might have been the monthly, the all-time. Yup, right here. Nope, it's right here. See our volume indicator? We gotta stretch this out. What's going on? I did something here. Unlock, stretch it out. That's not our volume indicator. Fuck. You want to lock that back. Lock. Need to get into this volume indicator real quick. Bear with me, my good people. I can't get it. Well, we can't get it. We tried, but that's the middle of our volume indicator, right? Oh, it's way back there. You know what we're going to do? We're just going to put a localized one on here. Localized volume indicator, just in that, from the consolidation of the blow-off pump. And you can see that even lines up right here with our white support box. And we're not just going to stop in the middle of this support box. We got to come down here, because that's where there's buyers and sellers. But I think after a quick bounce, you're going to flush all the way down to this next key area down there, and it lines up with some of our rings. So you can see what we got going on down there. See down there, it lines up with our ring at 33,000 is 33,000 almost even, and that's why we have that price target down there. So if we zoom in now, and that's why we always start from a far out time frame and work our way in for a super simple, easy way to trade this manipulated market, right? And you can see we're just getting consolidating and having these little pumps to a 1 or 2% into the moving averages, and then down into the moving averages, down into the moving average, down. And that's why we're going to end up down here before you can even consider a buy. And that's what I've been telling you, even when the price was way back there, and I said we're coming way down there to this bottom part of this support box. And then that's where you could play your first bounce, and you could play the bounce from this point, and you could play back up for a retest, right? See that? You could play the bounce for a retest, and with our industry exclusive measuring tool in Bitcoin, that would be a 13.69% pump, and then you would sell as you get into the moving averages, right? Because then, you know, your next leg down is down to 28,000. So that's the short term in Bitcoin. And then as we're on our beautiful tablet, we move to Dogecoin, is the same thing. We're coming down to this 10-cent ring, and that would be your first spot for a buy. And if we zoom out to the daily, you'll know that we've been playing the ring, just like we have been with XLM and XRP. Industry exclusive pointer tool. You can see consolidation, ring, pump, rejection, flush, consolidation, rejection to the next ring, then a pump, then a rejection by the ring, and a flush. Then you come up to the ring again, you get rejected, right? And now we know we're coming down to this next ring. Then we can consolidate up and have a pump all the way up into the moving averages. And then as soon as we break this ring, if we break it bearish down here at 10 cents, unfortunately, your next ring, we got our old perching tool arrow pointed right at it, 26 or 2 cents, right? Because Dogecoin's eventually going below a penny. That's an outstanding long call forecast from when Dogecoin was way back there with the Elon Musk and the Jeff Bezos, right? We all know that. That's ancient history, but it's still fun. Check out the old videos. And XRP has broke decisively out of this symmetrical triangle, a neutral continuation pattern, into a bull, into the bull run that it was in. And I thought it would break down, and then it did indeed break down. And our underneath long-term target is 23 cents. Short-term, it's coming right down to 47 cents. And then at 47 cents, with our industry exclusive drawing tool, after we get down here, it's not going to go straight down, but it's going to do little dances, a few percent up and down. And once you get down there to 47 cents, you could have a nice swing trade opportunity from 47 to old major upper resistance to 62, and then your next leg down. But we'll see how that's reacting down here, because we know our next leg down from there is 23 cents, right? So everything's bearish right now. There's a lot more pain to come, but there will be opportunities to make money. You can see our ring systems work beautifully with XLM as we have went from ring to ring to ring, ring, consolidate, break, consolidate, break, consolidate, break, or support, break, support, break, support, break, support, break. And then you just go down to the rings, and now we hit exactly on the 19 cents. You could get some consolidation into here, because if you break this ring, your next target's all the way down here between 9 and 11 cents, depending on when you hit it. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing on this crash alert. Crash 2022 as predicted. Peace and love. Peace and love.